Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a delightful recipe in store for you, steamed flour rolls. Get ready to dive into the world of soft, fluffy, and visually appealing treats. Let's get started. To begin, we'll assemble the ingredients. In a bowl, combine flour, yeast, and baking powder. Then, add warm water to the mixture. Give it a stir with a spoon until it forms a lumpy texture. Next, knead the dough gently until it becomes smooth and delicate. Cover it with plastic wrap and set it aside to rest. Now it's time to prepare the filling. Place carrots, preserved sausages, scallions, and cilantro into a blender and blend until they're finely chopped. In another bowl, create an oil paste by mixing flour, salt, and cooking oil. Stir until it resembles a creamy yogurt-like consistency. Set it aside for later use. Returning to the dough, give it a quick knead to release any trapped air. Then, using a rolling pin, flatten and roll out the dough. Begin by rolling the four corners and then continue rolling it lengthwise and widthwise until it forms a rectangular shape. Carefully pour the oil paste onto the dough and spread it evenly with a spoon. Sprinkle the diced carrots, chopped scallions, minced cilantro, and diced sausage over the oil paste. Starting from one end, gently roll up the dough, ensuring that the seam side is facing down. At this point, you can choose to cut the roll straight or diagonally with a knife, depending on your preference. For today's recipe, I'll be using a straight cut, leaving 1/3 of the roll uncut. To create an attractive flower pattern, press the roll diagonally with chopsticks. This will result in a visually appealing and delicious flower roll. Hold one end of the roll with your hand and carefully place it in a steamer tray. Allow it to rest for about 20 minutes in a pot of warm water where it will increase in size, becoming plump and fluffy. Now, it's time to steam our flour rolls. Set your steamer to high heat and once the steam starts to rise, steam the rolls for 15 minutes. After that, turn off the heat and let them sit for an additional 2 minutes. Our beautiful flour rolls are now ready to be enjoyed. I encourage you to give this recipe a try and share your feedback with me. Your thoughts and suggestions mean a lot to me. Thanks for watching and until next time, happy cooking!